Hello and welcome. Today we're making a classic and creamy dish, Palak Paneer. Let's dive in. First, take one fresh bunch of spinach. Wash it thoroughly and blanch it in 2 cups of boiling water for about 2 minutes. Once blanched, strain the spinach and transfer it to a bowl of cold water to lock in the vibrant green color. Blend it into a smooth puree along with green chillies and a handful of coriander leaves and set it aside. Now let's prepare the base. Heat 2 tablespoons of oil and 1 tablespoon of butter in a pan. Add half a teaspoon of cumin seeds and let them splutter. Add 3 finely chopped onions and saute until golden brown. Toss in 2 dry red chillies for an aromatic touch. Next, add 1 tablespoon of ginger garlic paste and cook. Now, stir in 2 finely chopped tomatoes and cook until they turn soft and mushy. To this, add half a teaspoon each of salt, red chilli powder, garam masala powder, coriander powder and roasted cumin powder. It's time to add the spinach puree. Pour it into the pan along with half a cup of water. Mix well and let it simmer for 5 minutes on low heat. Sprinkle in half a teaspoon of sugar for balance and let everything cook until the oil separates. Crush 1 teaspoon of Kasuri methi between your palms and add it for a smoky flavor. Finally, gently add 400 grams of cubed Malai Paneer. Stir carefully to coat the paneer with the luscious gravy. Add 2 tablespoons of fresh cream for that rich, creamy finish. And there you have it. Your delicious Palak Paneer is ready. Serve it hot with naan, roti or jeera rice. For an extra indulgence, add a dollop of butter on top before serving. If you enjoyed this recipe, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more mouth-watering dishes. See you next time.